Just be you. So we were just talking with Lisa this morning that it's been a while since we did like a real travel video. We've been looking like this for a while, and yeah, you know, the video that gives you the smell, the sounds, the visual of the place. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna dress up and do something more cliche. So give us 2 minutes, we're gonna dress up and go and discover one of the most beautiful Spanish cities. Okay, I actually don't know anything about the city we're going to, but we'll be right back. So the place we have ended up today is town of Ronda. Although it only has 35,000 people living in here, then it's quite known. And what really makes this place stand out is a canyon that splits the city in two. The wind here today is just brutal, but we made it to the part of Ronda that probably makes it famous. It's the canyon that splits the town in two, and it's pretty cool. There's actually 3 different bridges crossing the canyon, and we're on one of them at the moment.
So this one up there is the old bridge, and right now we're on the Arabic bridge.
And as it turns out, Arabic bridge is also a bridge for cars. Like, it doesn't have a lot of room in here, but
One happy man.
Woohoo! Slight right.
safe and sound. I was really worried. It's really quite beautiful how in Ronda the medieval castle and medieval structures just mix with those white houses with red roofs, and it just has this totally different kind of feeling to it. I don't think I've ever seen a town like this before. Now we've made it to the most famous part of Ronda without a doubt, meaning we are at the new bridge. So that's the new bridge. It's 120 meters tall. guess that's what happens if you build your town on top of a cliff. Not the best place if you don't like the wind. On the other hand, the view up here is bloody amazing. And now behind me, that white huge building is Plaza de Toros, and this one here in Ronda is the oldest bullring in the whole Spain.
No,
Lion, why no high five? Wait, where did Lion go? Wait, where did Ronda go? Okay guys, that was not my best video ending, but I told you in the beginning that this one was gonna be different. But I still really hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'm really happy that we chose Ronda for this kind of aesthetic one, or cinematic one, or however you want to call it, because the town is beautiful. It's not too big, it's really clean, full of restaurants, souvenir shops. It's a tourist town, and a really gorgeous one. To finish this one off, I'm actually gonna show a small little adventure from Ronda that did not fit in the video before. See ya.
If there is anything I'm afraid of in this world, it's stuff to do with cars. It's stuff to do with driving cars. It's stuff to do with roads. We're gonna die!
We're gonna die, guys. Oh, the crap we do for good drone shots.
Babe, I'm very nervous. Can you please try? Babes, I died a little inside.